This could be one of the most impactful videos you've seen. The world is changing. I have amazing, amazing news. I'm talking about some very cool stuff that's going on right now. It's accelerating. I want to talk about what I named this year, what I named the next year, and I did that way in advance because I felt something was accelerating, and I am right, and you're probably feeling it. Are you ready to not just fasten your seatbelt? Put your arms up in the air and go, yahoo! Jazz hands all the way down. I got something very exciting for you today. You could be so proud of yourself and all of us. Get ready, let's go. Welcome to Landria Onkka on YouTube, here to help you break through fears and live an amazing life. Synchronicities. Things are lining up. I think about it and it happens. I was trying to figure out how am I going to get to Atlanta because I don't want to take my car up there because I got to get the rest of my stuff and bring it down. Girlfriend calls and says, hey, would you like to drive my car up to Atlanta? I just bought another one and I need to get that car up there. Bing, 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 bing. All right, yes. I was thinking, geez, I need a local dentist here, a really good one, just in case, you know. My neighbor said, will you pick me up from the dentist? I said, yeah. I went in there, amazing place. My neighbor said, you got to go to this guy if you pick anybody. Oh, dentist. Bing, 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 bing. All right, so the other thing is, as you know, I was thinking about a counter to move in. I really wanted one. I knew exactly what I wanted. Found it. It was taken. And the next day I thought, nope, that's my condo. Called the real estate agent. He said, it fell through. It's yours. Got it. Bing, 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 bing. By the way, this is we're talking like within hours, maybe a couple days, these things are happening. Are you feeling synchronicity? Now, here's the other things I want to share with you. And if you get on board with this, we are going to take massive action for massive change. Are you ready for this? I named 2021 the year of expansion. It's over. We're getting near the end of this. You're either on board or you're not. Another, what's expansion? I wanted to encourage you to open up, to expand into all the possibilities, to let all the you're this and you're that and they're that, and say, what are we going to do? We're going to be the power that makes the change in peace. We're just going to create solutions, right? I keep talking about that. The number one thing, no more conflict, no more separation, only solutions, and it's happening. Expansion was, how do I go into a place where I let go of all the ways I'm supposed to be working, earning, living, relationships, all that stuff. Throw it out the window. Who created that? People. What did we do? We messed up the planet and ourselves, and now we are coming out of it. It's accelerating in a very, very, very big way. All right, so if you know anything about me, you know that I moved down to Florida on a whim. I don't know why, but I was supposed to be here. So I packed up everything and came down here. Now, what happened? I go out on the ocean, and within 1 month, the stench is so bad, there are millions of fish floating around. Hi, neighbors, what's this? Oh, it's called red tide. Cute little name, sounds real natural. It's not. Toxins being dumped here, and I'm saying, how is this allowed? And my big mission is to help clean up the planet. So guess what? 2022 is the year of action. We got to stop thinking about me and my manifesting and how do I do this. And you are manifesting. Here's how you make a difference. Here's how you'll expand your manifesting onto a high frequency, and stuff's going to come to you. Abundance and health and great relationships are all going to start happening because now you're focused on positive change, and that is quantum physics. So what are we going to do? I was thinking, how do I help to clean this up? It seems so big, right? It seems big and it's just me. How can I help? So I gave money to local organizations that are trying to change laws to make sure this doesn't happen. But what else can I do? And bing, 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 bing. Teamseas contacted me and asked me as an influencer to join them in a program that just launched today at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, and that's why you're seeing this video now, because we are going to clean up 30 million pounds of garbage out of our rivers, our oceans, and our beaches. We're going to raise $30 million, and we are guaranteed that for every dollar, a pound of garbage, plastics, everything is coming out of those oceans. 30 million pounds going to come out of the oceans, rivers, and the beaches. Now, how do you get involved? Go down in the description, and if you're in Manifest Anything, my free email list, you can get involved. You can donate $1, that's £1, $5, 5 pounds, 10 pounds, whatever you can do, because this is going global, and I am so honored that I could use this channel to be an influence to clean up the planet. We're doing it. We're taking the action. So the action, it's accelerating. It's October right now, and it's already happening. We're already going into action. So many ways that you can change the planet and be a part of an amazing movement. Now, how else can you change the planet? I'm going to give you option after option after option, and I'm working 24/7. I actually get up at 2 o'clock in the morning. I go to bed at 10. I get up at 2 a.m. I work to about 6 o'clock in the morning. I go back to sleep for an hour or two, and I get back up because you know what? I need that time. I need that time to dedicate to this. I'm creating a new platform for spiritually conscious businesses. This is also a platform you can learn how to create an online business. I have a webinar that if you're on one of my lists, you got invited to, it's free. And I talk about what's going to happen with our economy, our industries out there, and how powerful the little guy, us, right, are and are going to continue to be more powerful as small communities banding together with solutions, providing things for the planet, and we will go into a state of complete, total giving, compassion, love, and abundance. You can make money doing all this stuff, right? There's tons of money out there. It's just disproportionate. And so when we're all giving, we're all receiving. This is free. Click, come on over, because we have a new program going, and you can actually get 5 learning training modules for free. If you come in and watch our webinar and click, you can go into that. That's going to be limited. Manifest Anything in the description is free. My brand spanking new series coming out this weekend is going to be so much more extensive and talking about how do you use your power. I want you to use your power. I want you to know that every thought counts. And so we're going to focus completely on change, change, change. Now remember something. When you watch that media, you're creating it. It is there for you to create. So when I know that your thoughts, whatever you focus on, creates, and I want you to go down to a dark pathway, I'm going to put that in front of you. You know, here's a movie where there's a city blows up, and there's 2, heroes. Right. Not in our world. Our world is the community is turning this planet around. Do you feel it happening? Synchronicity is off the charts right now. I seriously was thinking about global healing. That is something that I use that's so healthy. And I thought, geez, I'd love to be an influencer of theirs, but they're really picky. And I use all their products. And I thought, I want to show you how to detox. That's going to be one of my videos coming up. But if you're in my list, you'll find out how to detox your body, get the heavy chemicals out, all of that good stuff. And you will get a 10% discount. And guess what? As soon as I thought that, an email came, no kidding, like within minutes, an email come over and said, congratulations, we accepted you. And I applied months ago. We accepted you as an influencer, and here's what we'd like you to do. I went, thank you, thank you, thank you. You are allowing me to be a conduit for positive change, an influence in the most amazing way. Not to show you how to open up a package of Disney toys that are plastic, but to show you how you can open up a new world for yourself, for all of us. Can you participate? Of course you can. All of us can. What you give, you receive. Not like up the road. It's happening now. So synchronicity is accelerating. You guys have told me manifesting is accelerating. You think of something, it shows up. Somebody says something, somebody calls you. It's amazing. So this is a lot to take in. But if you're in my list, you will get instructions on all of the options that you have. And when something speaks to you, Go do it. Try. Don't hold back. Don't judge it. Don't be complaining about everybody and ragging about this and that. We're diverse people. That's what makes us so amazing and beautiful. We're not just a bunch of gray people walking around. Nothing wrong with the grays. But we are so different and we turn on each other. We're not going to do that anymore. 2022, year of action. Are you ready? Let's start now. So, I'm going to have all this information down in the description. I want to make sure I get it right. Team Seas, 300 million pounds, $300 million we're raising. Guaranteed a pound for every dollar. Oceans, rivers, beaches. It's going to the Ocean Conservancy and the Ocean Cleanup, two established organizations. So you can go to teamseas.org and get involved. Be a part of this shift. Now we have to put our money and our efforts where our mouth is. And so, it's go time, my friend. And everything you think of, now that you start to do these things that are positive, amazing things will happen in your personal life. These gifts will start to flow because you're saying, yes, we're going to be okay. We are okay. I see that. And I'm going to participate in it. And that's what I'm going to focus on. And you turn off all that other garbage, because when you look at garbage, you create garbage. Right? Spiritual butt kick. Yeah. Got anything else to say? You got to rag about this? Shut your pie hole. Go on another channel, because I am here to help all of us come together to create that new earth. You're going to go into it. Everyone can. And guess what? When you're focused on these things, you don't have time to think about the politician or the nasty boss or anything. It's like, brr, 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 brr. I'm busy cleaning up the oceans, okay? Shut your pie hole. You guys ready? Manifest anything, go in there, because this weekend, the whole new brand spanking series is coming out. If you're in it, you will start from the beginning in the brand new series, and then you're going to get offers and things that are going to help your body, the planet, free stuff, my free mobile app, all that good stuff. It's going to be like, woo, I have nothing but good stuff and positive change to think about. Okay, I can handle this. Yeah, ooh, it's exciting. And your world will change. You shift into a different dimension, different reality. That's how it works. This is real stuff. And guess what? I've got some real special things coming up for you. I'm going to call some people, some really rock stars, and interview them. So get ready. There'll be some surprises on my channel. And I am so honored to be here and have you on my channel. Thank you. This is proof that we're doing our job. We're raising the frequency of the planet, one light beam at a time. Give and help in whatever way you can. And then if you have an individual egotistical need right now that you have to talk about, shut your pie hole. All right, you are whole and perfect, strong and powerful, loving, harmonious, and happy. teamseas.org. #TeamSeas. The description, it's all down there. You guys are amazing. You're beautiful. You're perfect. No more, am I good? No, you're amazing. You're powerful. You are of the Creator, and you're a creator. Go do. See you in the penthouse drinking champagne. Namaste.